In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the header, footer, and sidebar widgets for Open Floor Plan. For the home page widgets, we have a separate video. Just go to the home page video for those widgets. In this video, we're just going to cover the header, footer, and sidebar that will be on all your WordPress pages. So let's go to the dashboard of our site. And in the dashboard, you go down to Appearance and you select Widgets. In the widgets area, you have your available widgets on the left and the widget areas of the site here on the right. Now we're going to be working with the default sidebar, the 3 footer widgets, and the top header left and top header right. In the Getting Started video, we showed you how you can import the demo widgets so that you don't have to set these up. You can install the widget importer and exporter plugin and then import that widget file, that WE file, from inside your Open Floor Plan zip file, which is the easiest way to get started. But if you prefer to just set them up manually, this is what we're going to go through today. So let's start with our default sidebar. And in our demos, we're using a search widget. Now if you're using IDX Broker, you would use the Equity IDX property search widget there. For this video, we're going to be using the non-IDX, which is the WP Listings search widget. So in our available widgets, we're going to go down to WP Listings search, and we're going to drag that up here to our default sidebar. There we go, and drop it there. And let's give it a title. We're going to call it Property Search. And then we select those taxonomies we want them to search for. Locations, property types, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Bedrooms and bathrooms are additional taxonomies that you have to set up yourself. You can go through the WP Listings video on how to set those up. But whatever you want your listings to be searched for, you need to set up taxonomies, and then they will appear here in your search widget. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Now let's go to the front of our site, and let's go to an interior page that has the sidebar. Let's go to the blog page. And you'll see now we've got that property search widget here in our default sidebar. And you can of course put any other widgets you want in this area. You just drag them and drop them there in your default sidebar if you want them on every page of your site. Next, we're going to go to the top header left and right widget areas. And you'll see here it's already got something there. These are the defaults. If you don't put any widgets in those widget areas at all, this will pull in your social media links, your email, and your phone from your equity theme settings. Now how to enter those is covered in the customization video, so you might want to go there on how to enter that information in your equity theme settings. But once it's in there, it will be pulled in automatically. If you prefer to put something else, which is what we're going to do, you do that by just dragging text widgets in those areas. So let's go to, there it is, top header left and top header right widget areas. So let's drag a text widget up to top header left. So say on top header left we don't want the social icons, we want our phone instead. Let's put agent phone and save that, and instead we want our social media links on the right hand side. Let's drag another text widget over there, and we'll use the short code social icons. Now these short codes are covered in the theme documentation, and you just go to the theme documentation, to the section on short codes, and we're going to scroll down. Under agent social info and icons, you have the short codes for social icons for your phone, your email, and address. And this is how they will be pulled in from your theme settings onto your site. So let's go back to that widget area and save that now. And we're going to go to the front of our site, And you'll see now we switched it. We've now got our phone on the left and our social icons on the right. But again, if you don't put any widget there at all, it does have default settings to put the social media links on the left and your email and phone on the right. Okay, so that's the top header left and top header right. Now let's go to the footer widgets. We've got footer 1, footer 2, and footer 3. Now in these areas we're also going to use text widgets. In footer 1, well, again, you can use any other widgets you want to use. If you're using IDX Broker, you can use some IDX Broker widgets there. But for this video, and just like on our demo, we're going to use text widgets. So footer 1, you want a text widget, but it's just maybe something about you, like, you know, about yourself, about John Doe. And then a little description about you or a mission statement or something inside the text widget, and save that. Footer 2, in our demo we're using testimonials shortcode. I'm going to drag that up, and again it's just a text widget and it's using the testimonial shortcode that's built into the theme. That shortcode again is in the theme documentation. There we go. Under testimonials, a description of what the different parameters are and the shortcode that you can copy and paste there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this, the testimonial name, which is the client's name that gave the testimonials, and then the text of the testimonial is between the two shortcodes, and then you can add a button to view more testimonials to a testimonials page. So let's save that. And then the last footer widget, we're going to use another text widget. And in this one, we're going to put contact information. So let's drag this up to footer 3. And in this one, we've put in the address manually with some line breaks. And we've got the shortcodes for agent phone, agent email, and social icons here. Now, a text widget, you can put plain text, you can put HTML, or you can use any other widget there you'd like to use. So let's go ahead and save that. Now let's go back to the front of our site and refresh and scroll down. And you see here's our 3 footer widgets we added. There's the About John Doe, there's the testimonials, and there's the Contact Us. And you see these shortcodes pulled in the phone, email, and social icons here. So that's how you set up the widgets in Open Floor Plan.